In today's video, I'll teach you how to find cars on cars.com. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in cars.com. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of cars.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to find the cars, it is actually very simple. You can search for the car in the home interface only. You can see over here, you can simply click on the search bar and search for the car by using your own words, or you can also search by these categories over here. What you have to do is fill in the details. So click on the field of new or used. After you do that, you will be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Likewise, you have to select the make. Click on the field of make. Now you'll be able to see the popular makes over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, what you have to do is click on the field of model. Now simply click on the model of the car that you would like to find. Now also select the distance and zip over here. Now after you do that, click on this option show matches that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see the listings of the cars over here. You can see various options. If you like some car, you can simply click on it and you'll be able to see the details of that particular car. So like this, you'll be able to find the cars. So that is how you find cars on cars.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.